quick and simple 2012 6-speed manual Mazda 3. It's got the 2.5, not the 2.0 and not the 2.5 turbo, just the naturally aspirated 2.5. A lot of misinformation on the internet. Purge valve is that right there. It is not in the back of the car near the charcoal canister. It is right there. In fact, there is a part number on there. See if I can get it for you. 1518 18 741. You type that into Amazon and you come up with a $20 purge valve. So what was happening to me is I had my head under the bumper working on something, and I smelled an extremely strong gas smell. Figured out it was coming from the air box. So what happened is, if you follow your purge valve, this is where the purge valve is going into. When you follow this line, right, purge valve goes into the throttle body, and then it goes into the left line. This is fuel, this is vapor. So what was happening is the purge valve was stuck open, and I shut the motor off. Normally the vapors would just get sucked into the engine. I shut the motor off, and purge valve being stuck open was still venting fumes from the tank right into my airbox, and it smelled bad over here. $20 part. I'm gonna get that fixed up.